The resume. Your enchanted parchment. A tale of your skills, dreams, and ambitions waiting to be discovered. But, dear dreamer, a cluttered, dull resume can be like an unread fairy tale, lost in a sea of others. So today, let's sprinkle some magic on your resume in Canva. A modern resume should be as sleek as a glass slipper and as striking as a royal decree. So, we'll open up Canva and start by picking a canvas size. I will go with the regular letter size, and we will create a header, and we are going for polished yet personal. Now we'll tell them how to contact us. For corporate roles, opt for minimalist and professional designs. If you're in a creative field, add tasteful pops of color and custom fonts. Your About Me section is the opening chapter of your career story. Keep it concise and compelling, like an enchanting book synopsis. For example, detail-oriented marketing strategist with 5 years of experience, passionate about blending creativity with data to craft engaging brand stories. Avoid cliches like hardworking or team player. Instead, use this time to showcase your unique skills. Your education is the foundation of your knowledge. Keep it clean and to the point. No need for a lengthy spell. You can follow a structure such as the degree you've earned, the name of your school, and the year you graduated. As for recent grads, you can add relevant coursework or honors if you are lacking work experience. Your skills. Think of this as your magical toolkit, the special skills that make you uniquely qualified. You can use hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills would be skills such as Adobe Photoshop, SEO, and data analysis, whereas soft skills are things such as leadership, communication, and creativity. Tailor your skills to match the job description. Use keywords from the job listing to increase your chances of passing the applicant tracking system scans. Now let's bring your past experiences to life. Format them neatly using bullet points for clarity and include quantifiable achievements. You can follow the structure similar to the education structure. However, this time you would want to also tell them what you did, how you added value, and any impressive results you gained. Numbers make your resume stand out. Whenever possible, showcase achievements with percentages and figures. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted modern resume that tells your unique story. A final touch of polish there, dreamer. Check for typos, align your design, and ensure it's easy to read. Remember, simplicity is the true mark of elegance. Save your resume as a PDF to preserve the formatting and avoid any design mishaps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's the job you're dreaming of.